Today, let's talk about auscultation of the heart. We will review all the key areas and points that you'll listen to with the diaphragm of your stethoscope. The first key area is called the aortic, and it's going to be along the sternal border, the second intercostal space on the client's right side. Moving on to the left side, second intercostal space along the sternal border is going to be the pulmonic. Moving down to the third intercostal space is called Erb's point. This is just a landmark and we don't actually auscultate. Here it helps us identify the next intercostal space to find the next key. And that's called the tricuspid, which is along the sternal border, fourth intercostal space on the client's left side. And lastly is the mitral. This is going to be the fifth intercostal space, mid-clavicular, usually under the knee. It's important to remember the order of the landmarks so you don't get them confused later. A is for aortic, P for pulmonic, E for Erb's point, T for tricuspid, and M for mitral.